Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Scimath Academy. In today's lesson we are going to focus on the addition and subtraction of matrices. But first of all, we will do the addition of matrices. Let's suppose we have two matrices A, which contain the elements 3, 4, 5 and 6, and matrix B contain the elements 6, 8, 3 and 0. This is a 2 by 2 matrix, and matrix B is also a 2 by 2 matrix. The order of both of the matrices is same, so we can add them. Now A plus B is equal to matrix A 3, 4, 5 and 6 plus matrix B 6, 8, 3 and 0, which is equal to 3 plus 6, 6 plus 8, 5 plus 3, 6 plus 0, which is equal to 3 plus 6 is 9, 6 plus 8 is 14, 5 plus 3 is 8, 6 plus 0 is 6. So A plus B is equal 9, 14, 8, 6. So this is the sum of matrix A and B. Now let's suppose we have two 3 by 3 matrices. So C is equal, so matrix C contains 3, 8, 5, 6, 3, 1, 2, 0, 1. Matrix D contains 3, 1, 2, 5, minus 2, 1, 6, minus 3, 0. Now matrix C is a 3 by 3 matrix, and matrix D is also a 3 by 3 matrix. So we have to add them. So C plus D is equal to C matrix, which contain the elements 3, 8, 5, 6, 3, 1, 2, 0, 1, and matrix D, which contain the elements 3, 1, 2, 5, minus 2, 1, 6, minus 3 and 0. Now we have to add the corresponding elements and both of the matrices. So 3 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 6 plus 5, 3 minus 2, 3 plus minus 2, and 1 plus 1, 2 plus 6, 0 minus 3, 1 plus 0, so 3 plus 3 is 6, 8 plus 1 is 9, 5 plus 2 is 7, 6 plus 5 is 11, 3 plus minus 2 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 6 is 8, 0 minus 3 is minus 3, and 1 plus 0 is 1. So this is the sum of matrix C and D. Now we are going to do the subtraction of matrices. Let's suppose we have two matrices A, which contain the elements 5, 6, 8 and 10, and matrix B contains the elements 5, 2, 3, and 7. Now the difference of matrix A and B can be obtained by subtracting each element of B from corresponding element of A, and the elements of B can be subtracted from the elements of A. Both of the matrices have the same order. Matrix A is a 2 by 2 matrix, and matrix B is also a 2 by 2 matrix. A minus B is equal to matrix A, which contains the elements 5, 6, 8, and 10, minus matrix B, which contains elements 5, 2, 3, and 7, which is equal to, now subtract the elements of B from the corresponding elements of A. So 5 minus 5, 6 minus 2, 8 minus 3, 10 minus 7, which is equal to 5 minus 5 is 0, 6 minus 2 is 4, 8 minus 3 is 5, 10 minus 7 is 3. Now the difference of matrix A and B is 0, 4, 5, and 3. Now let we have another example of 3 by 3 matrices. Matrix C is 10, 5, 2, 11, 12, 6, 13, 7, 8. And matrix D contains 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, minus 2, minus 1, and 0. Now we have to subtract matrix D from matrix C, and this subtraction can be done if both of the matrices have the same order. The order of matrix C is 3 by 3, or we can say that C is a 3 by 3 matrix. In the same way, D is a 3 by 3 matrix, or the order of matrix D is 3 by 3. C minus D is equal to 10, 5, 2, 11, 12, 6, 13, 7, 8, minus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, minus 2, minus 1, and 0. So 10 minus 3, 5 minus 4, 2 minus 5, 11 minus 6, 12 minus 7, 6 minus 8, 13 minus 2, 7 minus 1, 8 minus 0. Ten minus 3 is 7. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. 11 minus 6 is 5. 12 minus 7 is 5. 6 minus 8 is minus 2. 13 minus 2 is 15. 7 minus 1 is 8. 8 minus 0 is 8. So this is the difference of D matrix from C.